Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will review Android 9 Pie System Special 12.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Ford Mustang 2010 to 2014 years. Okay, let me review. This main UI interface and this show date time. Okay, you have navigation. It's built in Google navigation system. It's radio. You can search radio stations. It's FM and AM. FM and AM. This radio. And music, you can play music from USB. This movie. SD card or USB. This amplifier. This USB driver, let me put the USB on back. You can check this USB, it's fire. It show picture. This amplifier. Okay, to adjust. It's EQ. Sound standard mode. It's rock, popular, classical, jazz and other. Sound field. It's filter. Okay, this music, this video. It supports 4K video. This 4K sends some raw to the world. Support PRP. Okay, this is video and movie. Let me show the Bluetooth. These settings you can check device name and device pin code 1234. Okay, this is my phone. You can turn on the Bluetooth from your phone. You can choose it and click connect. You can check their request. Please click OK. Okay, already connected. Show Bluetooth icon. You can check this allow access to contact listing. If you allow, you can use phone book contact listing from your phone. Okay. You can make phone call. Okay, it works. You can hang up. There are no sound because they are not connect speaker. Okay, you can stream music from your phone. Streaming music from your phone. Okay. You can up, down and up. Okay. It's easy connection from your link. And when we check the settings, you can check this RK339PX6. It's RAM 4GB, ROM 32GB. Okay. Language you can check. It's radio. Location. It's touch key, boat logo, and steering wheel control. GPS, you can connect back on GPS navigation. More settings you can check. About tablet, this PX6 RK339 chip Android 9 Pie system. Okay, it's ROM total 32GB. Okay, all links are here. Okay, this home. Apps, you can download the applications from Play Store. Okay, that's all. Thank you.